Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some Walmart new arrivals to share with you and I'm so excited about these pieces. I found some really great practical finds for the upcoming spring and summer season, some really nice capsule wardrobe pieces and also some gorgeous dresses that remind me of a much more expensive brand. So I'm excited to share today's finds with you. Hope you enjoy and let's jump in. Oh my goodness, starting off with this absolutely darling little mini dress. I love the blue and green floral print. This is a new brand that I found and they have so many cute girly pieces. I hope they start adding some more because I think it's kind of new. But it has a little puff sleeve detail, smocking here, so it's nursing friendly. This is a very thick smocking. It's not like dinky and feeling unsupportive. Like it has some good thick structure to it, which is nice. It is lined as well. It is on the shorter side. I think this might be a junior's brand. So if you do want a little more length, you could size up since overall the fit is pretty forgiving. I styled it here as a little Easter look, a very affordable option. I paired it with these white kitten heels, but I think this would be so cute styled for a little country concert this summer with some white Western boots. All right, next up is this white midi dress. This one reminded me a lot of the white midi dresses I've seen from Reformation, and this waistline has been very on trend at the moment, more of like the dropped waist or more of that corset look, sort of like House of CB. The straps on this are adjustable and the fit on this, it looks like it's tight and fitted, but it actually has some stretch to it and it's really comfortable. The skirt is lined on the bottom. It has pockets. It does have a little more volume, kind of like Cinderella or like princess style dress at the hips. I styled it here for like a little church look, paired it with some affordable flats from Target. And then to style it for like a church look or something like that, I added this little pink cardigan, which is also from Walmart. It has a little cable knit detail. Wearing a small in this, if you want it more fitted, there is room to size down because it does fit a little more oversized. And then I did want to mention it does have a zipper to get it off and on the side. At first I was like fighting to get it on. Then I realized there was a zipper and there is a little bit of smocking on the back as well. Next up is this $20 midi dress. I thought this would be a nice affordable option for Easter, but I honestly don't love the fit on me as much. Still wanted to share because I know we all have different body types. So if you do like an empire waist, then maybe you will like this one. I just don't find that empire waists are super flattering on me. I prefer to go more at my natural waist because I'm a little bit more narrow there. Empire waistlines always kind of give me the illusion of a bump, and it's kind of adding some width here as well that I don't necessarily have. But this one does come in a few color options. It is unlined, and I would say it fits a little bit big. I went with a small, and I could have definitely done an extra small. I had to tie it pretty tight in the back to try to pull it in as much as I could. So it does run a little big as well. So I had to try this dress because it reminds me so much of the dresses from Abercrombie that they've carried for the past few years. This is such a great look for less. This one does run a little bit longer, definitely a great work length. So I paired it here with some flats for like a work look. But the Abercrombie one does come in short or tall, depending on what size you need. It's ruched here at the top. It is empire, but it's not billowing out. It has more structure to it. I think it's 100% cotton. Sleeves have a little more length to them, which I always find a little more flattering, and they also aren't super snug. So the smocking on the arm isn't cutting off my circulation like some puff sleeves do. This one came in 4 color options. I know they had it in white. However, this dress is not lined, so I would caution you to get a good slip if you do want to get the white one. I think it also came in red as well. Paired it here with this cute little bamboo top handle bag and then a little cap toe ballet flat. I'll link some look for less options to these. These are from Chanel. I'm not sure if the Walmart ones are still available, but I've seen these everywhere. So I'll link a few different options. I was originally wanting to style this with some knee-high boots, but the length is a little too long for me to do that. I thought this would be a cute option for Memorial Day weekend, even 4th of July. This dress comes in a few color options. They had it in a classic white, which I'm always drawn to, but I decided to mix it up and go for the red. Red is a color that I really leaned into the last year, and I just love the pop of color. I added over this navy and white striped sweater, which is a really nice spring into summer sweater, depending on where you live. I will show it on here in a bit, but I just draped it over my shoulders just to tie in the full Americana look. Here's a better look at the shape of the dress. It's more fitted on top, then kind of tears out, more of an A-line shape on the bottom. It's lined, runs a little bit longer, is more of a conservative length, so again would work for workwear. I styled it with my favorite white sneakers. I am wearing my normal size small. The sweater has a very, very high sellout risk. I love the fit of it. It has such a classic look and feel, very much capsule wardrobe piece. I love the rolled neck here. It's thick. I think it's 100% cotton. I'm wearing a size small. Walmart released some similar sweaters to this in more spring colors, and they sold out so quickly. So I have a feeling this will kind of be in the same boat as those. This is the sweater I had on with the red dress, and then I paired it with some classic white jeans. These are a more affordable option to my mother jeans that I usually always style. They've been a bestseller for the past 3 or 4 years now, but this one is very similar. And then these little woven flats are cute if you're looking for a closed toe spring option. They do run big, so if you're in between, I would size down. This dress reminds me of J. Crew or J. Crew Factory. It has that very classic summer stripe look and feel to it. It is 100% cotton again, has a double ruffle detail and ruffle detail here. Functional buttons all the way down, so it would be nursing friendly. The belt here is actually thick and substantial, like definitely thicker than most belt ties that I've seen from this price point, so it was really easy to tie. But if you're not the biggest fan of bows, I do apologize for that because I don't think there's ever been a video on my channel that does not have a bow in it, but you could do a double knot to not have a little big bow. This would be another great affordable Easter dress option. Definitely work appropriate through the summer season, pairing it with comfy flats. I paired it with these white Amazon heels that have been a staple for the past few seasons now. I'm wearing a size small. It is very true to size. I also wanted to go ahead and give you a heads up. There is an Amazon sale this week, sort of like Prime Day, but they're calling it a big spring sale. Starts on Tuesday. I will be sharing an Amazon haul on Thursday just to stay with my normal upload schedule. But I did get an email that I actually have a discount code for this Ultra Human ring. If you are not familiar, I've been talking about it a lot. It's like the Aura ring, but without the subscription. I wear mine every day, and I have a discount code, plus it's going to be on sale. So I just wanted to go ahead and give you a heads up there if you've had that on your radar. So I'll go ahead and link it down below, and I'll also start a storefront folder with sale finds. And I also always say like my recent purchases and new finds constantly. So I'll go ahead and link to my storefront if you are curious as to what the sale is going to look like. I also started working on a little Easter tablescape for our dining room. I will link what I can, but a few things were from Walmart, like these little arrangements are such great quality for $15. They have like way better touch and feel to them. I love the little egg detail, and the container is really cute. This little egg was also from Walmart. A lot of the stuff is sold out online depending on where you're located, but I still wanted to share. I think I'm going to put like some faux florals in this little Mackenzie Childs teapot, and then maybe some faux eggs around, fill this in. Not quite sure. And then I also ordered some candlesticks from Walmart. That's really cute. They're a really nice little pink color, and I'm going to do those blue candlesticks in them. Next up, we have an athleisure look. This is that same summer sweater. I did also want to mention that this one has good proportions, so it's easy to drape, or easier to drape over the shoulders. I have more broad shoulders, so sometimes I struggle with getting this to lay correctly and stay correctly, and I'm really liking how this one's sitting. But anyway, this tennis dress is from Walmart, and I am so impressed with the quality, especially for the price point. It's a better price than Amazon. The white is a thick, substantial material. It's fully lined, so it's not see-through. Has the built-in padding here. It does run a little snug in the chest, so if you are bigger busted, I would size up. Has the built-in shorts with the side pockets on both sides, and the shorts have an opening in the back, so it's easy to use the restroom in. You don't have to fully undress to do that, which is always a plus. And overall, it has a really cute shape. It's fitted up at the top and then flows a little bit more through the hips, so it just sits and hangs really nicely. And here is the sweater draped over this athletic dress, which is one of my favorite transitional looks. Like if I'm meeting a friend for coffee and we're going to walk after, this is something I would wear for that. But a few things did not arrive in time for this order, so I'll go ahead and link those down below. They do happen to show up today. I'll try to pop them in, but I hope you enjoyed today's Walmart finds, and I will see you on Thursday with a really good Amazon haul. Bye.